Hey there. I hope you are enjoying X Pro, the TweetDeck that helps you grow on X faster and saves you time. I will show you how to customize your X Pro display in this video. Let's go. Go to your X Pro page. From the left navigation, click on the triple dots. Select Display from the menu. This opens a dialog window that lets you customize your X Pro display. First, you can change the text size you want to see. Small to large, you will see your screen change in the background as you change the text size. Then, you can make the X Pro columns narrow, medium, or wide. When you switch this option, the screen changes once you close the dialog window. So you will have to try it out. You can also change the size of the media preview. Again, you must try it out to find out which one works best. Then, you can choose the color schema. You will see colors on the screen change instantly, so you can decide what works for you the best. For me, I like green. Then, you can choose how the background should look. Default follows your current system settings, light or dark. Next, you can choose to show or disable the pop-up message tab. I like it not showing since one of my columns is the DM window. Finally, the Show Hover card. You can check this if you want to hover over someone's username and see their basic information without clicking away. I hope this video helped you customize your X Pro experience. See you on the next one. Thank you.